Hindi mainit. Ba't natin yung ginawa? Hello darlings, I'm Levy.
And I'm Sarah, and welcome to Levy and Sarah Cycle! So this is the part 2 of our Madelinesville adventure in Alfonso, Cavite. So for this vlog, you'll be seeing ano ba talaga itsura doon sa Madelinesville and ano ang itsura ng mga tiny and cute houses doon. Nakasing cute nila. Liit!
From Sonia's Garden. Makikita nyo kung paano kami nakarating doon. Sobrang ganda ng daanan, sobrang scenic, ang panoramic, ang daming cows. Ayun. And, of course, meron kami new friends na na-meet doon. Not dogs, but
Ants.
ants. So, it means sobrang rich ng ecosystem dun sa area yun. Sobrang, ano pa, hindi, untouched pa talaga siya.
And you'll get to see here the amenities that you can enjoy. It may be small, the village may be small, but it comes with a whole lot of amenities. And we're also surprised may restaurant pala dun.
Yes, and ako, kung mahilig kayo sa art, kung mahilig kayo sa mga something unique that you see, you will not find in an isolated place like that. Naku, magugulat talaga kayo. Sobrang unique niya, nakakatawa. Lalo na kami, mahilig sa art, ganyan.
Yeah, mga ano siya. Hard to find pieces.
Mm-hmm.
So we won't preempt you guys on what we did and how the place looked like. You all have to find out in this video. Ta-da! Thank you, Sonia's Garden. We are headed to our next destination. Let's go! So ito yung mahirap after mo kumain ng kailangan mong pumunta sa isa pang destination. Mas breezy na here because we're up in the mountains here in the south. Ay, shucks, papaba talaga. Wait lang. Darling! Hello, darling! Whoa! Darling! Uy, thank you nga pala sa Kings of Gravel for giving us this awesome bag. Sobrang useful niya. Thank you, Carlo! Kagrabe ay... Woo! So the ahon never stops here. Woo! Na-burn ko na yung 2 pasta. Dito kami pupunta. Where we will be staying is 4.4 kilometers from Sonia's Garden. We chose that place because it's so cute! Can't wait to show you. Habang nag-refreehan tong si Levy. Nag-buffet kami. Yeah. Oh my God. Woo. Ay, grabe pala yun. Ah, lala. Ah. 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 Langya yun. Ayoko nang makakita ng tulay sa buhay ko. Sobrang sarap na simoy ng hangin dito sa Alfonso, Cavite. It's 3:30 already. So in the afternoon, the breeze gets colder. It's much nicer to bike around the area.
We are here.
Woo!
It's a nice road.
It is. At ang daming gumamela. Kung naglaro kayo ng bata kayo ng bubbles, perfect ang gumamela. Dikdikin lang. At bubula siya. Abay, kabagal.
Hindi gumagana yung...
The coffee farmhouse, which sinabi malapit na dito daw yung pupuntahan natin. So let's see if mahanap namin. We have to check the maps. Sige, wait. Check natin ulit, love.
Naliligaw na naman kami.
Hi.
Sige po.
Let's go. Tatanong na ako. May tindahan daw. Ito, may tindahan. Okay. Tao po. Okay. Tao po.
Regarding the coffee farmhouse Tagaytay, ha?
Darling, nandito siya, oh. Ano to? Palumlum. So, nandito na tayo. Ay, ate, alam niyo po ba kung saan itong Madelinesville? Alam niyo ho?
Diretso lang po kayo dyan, tapos makikita yung maliliit pong bahay.
Opo.
Ano lang po yun, diretso lang po kayo dyan.
Okay. Nasa ano siya? Kung dumiretso ho kami, kanan o kaliwa?
Wala po, diretso lang po talaga.
Diretso lang ho kami dito.
Opo.
Tapos?
Yun lang po, tapos makikita nyo na po yun. Malapit na po yun.
Ay, nga may kape ka dyan.
Mga Nescafe.
3 in 1. Isang original and isa pang hot and spicy.
Food trip.
Naubos yung budget namin sa Sonia's.
Okay, it's raining. Pero maaraw. Maraming kinakasal ngayon, ha? Diretso lang daw. We are lost. So, nanggaling na kami dito, eh. Pero, parang wala akong nakita. Since this morning, hindi kami naligaw. Dito lang kami naligaw. Puti nakausap namin si ate girl sa tindahan. Baka doon! Sobrang kinabahan ako kay Lola. Sabi niya, ay, ang layo pa nun. Hindi dito yun. Nalaglag yung puso ko. Grabe. Grabe si Lola magpalaglag ng puso. Ayay!
Madelinesville!
OMG! Teka lang, tanggalin ko yung mask ko. We are here at nilalanggam kami. As in, kinakagat ka?
Oo.
Oo nga. Ako rin. Okay. We are here. Tiny house. Water!
Water!
Okay, let's go in.
Wow! Alam.
It's really tiny. Okay, kinagat ako lang lang.
Dami talaga langgam. Oh my God, ang ganda nga. Home is where your story begins. Oh, cutie pie. We have our dining table here.
They have TV.
Saan?
Yan.
Oh,
That's the room.
May cable siguro yan.
Ang cute!
Cute. Ang cute din ng mga langgam eh. Sobrang kinakagat kami. It's time to prepare and
Ano kami?
hit the pool.
Yeah. Freshen up muna a bit.
What's inside? Ah, you see, na may heater, a towel, and everything.
Ang cute nito.
May sabon sila. Yes. I could stay here for the rest of my life. Wow! Very well said, Snoopy. Where are you going?
Ang cute dito.
Ang daming
Ang homey. Ang daming langgam.
Aray ko.
Kailangan natin. Wow!
Patingin ang bedroom.
Bawal tumayo dito.
Beauty
Ang
pie.
cute!
Oh,
May
darling.
TV!
Oh,
And then may window!
cute little bed. Overlooking the entire place. Kito, may mga fixtures din doon. Aww, such a lovely tiny place. Happy Monterey.
Happy Monterey, darling. Tara!
Tara!
Shit, nilalanggam pa rin ako. Tara! Here's my laundry! Patutuyuin ko na lang.
Okay, dahil umulan, lumalabas ang mga nangangagat na mga ants. So, we will walk fast here. Like, oh, see, di ako kinakagat, love. So, we're going to check out one of Manalainville's amenities here, which is actually wala dyan. Yung pool nila. So, pwede daw mag-bonfire dito, mag-grill, and mag-swing. Hi there, my princess. Where's Mikey? Ay, wow! May floaties pa kami! Yay!
Okay.
Ay, ang sarap! This is it!
Sabik yung mga tao eh. Dahil
Oo, I bet. Wow!
Hello!
Pakilala po, shout out po.
I'm Em. Shout out sa mga family ko.
Ready ka na ba lumublob?
Okay. I'm ready. Look. One. Okay.
1, 2, 3, go!
Uy! Oh, sige, sige. 1, 2, 3, go! Ah, taga. Pati ulo ba? Pati ulo?
Pati... Wow! May balancing act. Balancing.
Next. Let's go.
Yeah.
So, what are you going to do?
Dahil love kita, darling, I will cook dinner for you.
Ba't okay na? Ganyan.
Kuha siya ng tinigyan.
Ano, special ba yan, darling?
Sobrang special. Pancit canton. Tigdalawa tayo. Sweet and spicy and original. Get done. Meron din tayong Nesty Apple.
Wow. Basta, it's the thoughts that counts. Thank you, darling.
Welcome.
Gawin mong gourmet, ah.
Sige. So better watch out.
Okay, sige, abangan natin. I discovered something here. There's this diary. Nandito. So, I checked it out. Pagbukas ko, lahat ng guests nila, or almost all of their guests, leave their love messages here. So, check nga natin. Look, ang cute. You're able to disconnect from work. Kasi walang signal dito. Which is, dahil doon sobrang nag-uusap kami ni Sarah. Wala nang check ng phone. Ngayon ulit kami ng TV, ng local channel. Iba, ang simple ng buhay dito. Nakakatuwa. Uy! Gumagana na yung ETC.
Ano? Sino nalo?
May nag-tic-tac-toe pa. O, kamusta? Wow! Yung red wine natin. Oh my God, I also found something. This book! Oh my God! Naalala ko, binabasa ko to nung high school ako.
Final product na yung gusto mong makita.
Pakita natin sa kanila kung paano magluto ng special noodles.
Sige, mamaya-maya onti struggle pa ako ngayon. It was like facial ang init. Cooking the noodles. Some madaling drain
Wow!
and turn over to the bowl.
Wow!
After
Al
that,
dente.
you just sprinkle this magic dust.
Oh my God, meron din siyang Sidney Sheldon. Favorite book ko to ni Sidney Sheldon. Also, they have chess. Tara, Scrabble tayo and Jenga. Wow, ayan na yung special drink. There's apple cider. Uy, ang cute! Oh my God!
Sabi sa'yo, may pa-surprise ako sa'yo eh.
Ang cute naman ito! Wow, we have a special dessert. Buffet din pala to eh.
Naman!
Oh, thank you, darling.
Cheers to Tiny House!
Cheers!
And for disconnecting.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, sarap. Sarap ah! Thank you, darling. Thank you. Okay, pinasok na namin yung mga bikes namin. So this house can fit 2 bikes, 2 big bikes. Pwede pa nga mag-fit ng 3. Pati para malamig na yung bikes namin. Kawawa naman, the whole time nasa init sila eh. Pagod sila. Okay, let's sleep. What time is it?
It's 7:45 p.m.
It's 7:45 p.m. Inaantok na kami. So, good night guys. See you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye!
Darling. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Morning.
Morning, good morning.
Uwi na tayo. Mas ko na sinuwapan. Pagod kami. Yung na namin mag-bike pa uwi. Actually, ito, papakita namin sa inyo kung paano bumaba ng hagdan ng inaantok. Struggle. Hirap mo ba? Ganun ka. Kababa. Dali, iyan mo nga. Imustra ko.
Oo, imustra.
Si Demo. Tapos, gaganong ka.
Oo. Wala agad tulog mo dyan pa.
Oo, yun nga. Patay ka pag may hangover ka.
Morning.
Morning, tiny house. Morning, darling. Morning. Look, there's a... Uy, oo nga. It's a foggy Monday. Ay, Sunday. Foggy. Nandiyan pa ba yung battleground?
Merong tulog. Oo, ayan. Dito siya.
Talaga kami
24/7 yan.
tawid.
Oh, there's Toko. Quiet.
Natural. One coffee. One coffee. One coffee. I got you. Ito ang complimentary coffee nila. Ngayon ko lang ito nakitang brand. Top. Ang masarap naman. Sobrang kit kami sa mga posters na naakyat. Are you ready for your coffee? Yes. Okay. Darling. Come on. Coffee with a foggy view.
Yeah. I'm telling Sarah, never in my life I imagined going to a place like this using a bike. I couldn't imagine going back home with the bike. Wait, ayoko na. Joke lang. Sige naman, bike.
Dada, cheers. Cheers to a safe trip back home.
Yeah. Cheers.
Mainit.
Ay, hot. Ay, ang cute ng coaster. Gusto ko nito.
Bagay sa headband.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let's look at the sunrise. What time is it?
5:52.
Like, I wanna go there. Look at the fog.
Whoa! Giant red egg. Ba't ganyan yung sun ngayon?
So, picture dito with the bike. Pero tinatamad ako.
Hindi nga eh. Baka may dumaga. Baka mamaya may nakamite. Good morning!
Okay, so this is our
Front yard.
front yard. I wanna live in a place like this. Look! Yung paggabi, bigla mong naisip gusto mo ng chocolate. Hindi ka makakabili.
Instant diet.
Ito.
Na-amaze pa rin ako sa sun. Ba't siya ganyan?
I don't know. It's so
Eclipse
red.
ba yan nangyayari ngayon? Kasi,
Baka yung fog lang din, na yung clouds.
kasi sobrang perfect niya na egg.
Nagugutom ka na ba?
Hindi pa.
Balik na tayo.
Pati dito tiny entrance.
Ay, perfect ako dyan. Kasyang-kasya. I am tiny. Tiny. Urak. Look, there are 3 tiny houses here. We were really booked there. The yellow one, the sun. Kasi we like, you know, we like the sun even if we don't want to get burnt from the sun. And then, at the back, there's the brown one, the earth. You're staying at the blue one, water. And they have free, they are beverages available, pero mura lang naman. Yeah. And then, pero dito, finreeze namin yung water sa bottle namin. Para mamaya, malamig ang water namin. Yay! Okay, we're packing. We're getting ready to go back home. Our ice water is ready. Our bags are ready. Our bikes are warming up. Parang diesel yan. Kailangan warm up muna. Morning po!
Ay, kuya. So we're headed back home already. Thank you so much, Ariel, for being so accommodating. And you know, yung water house definitely made out of love.
Sobrang cute.
All the fixtures were well thought of. Lahat. Thank you so much, Ariel.
Thank you!
Bye-bye, Madelinesville.
Bye-bye! Mamimiss ko ang tiny house. Ang cute!
Yeah.
I hope that it will be smooth way back home. let's see. Ito yung talagang random kumot, hindi na ako nag-plan. So, good luck to us.
Oh, okay.
We're back on the road. Heading back home. Thank you, Alfonso Cavite.
Thank you, Madelinesville. Naku, may bridge na naman. Kung may bridge, may paahon. Di na tayo natapos. Ba yan? Nalakad na naman kami ni Levi. Ay, kakaiba to ah. Kakaiba to, love.
Warm up. Marami pa. More to go.
Eh, ganun ba? Kakasabi ko lang puro palusong to.
Take the next sharp right.
Yes, Kumut, we will take the next sharp right. Morning! Love you, darling. The line number 2. To line number 3. Okay, pag may ganito, yun na naman. Uphill number 4. This is number 5. Parang mambo number 5 lang. This is bridge number 6. Ah, number 6. Ahon number 7. Woo! Sarap bumiyahe ng ganito kaaga. Love you. This is July number 8. Ako nakakahiya sa number 8, meron na naman. This is Ahon number 9. Hey darling, never ending. Woo! Ahon number 6. Quick check lang kami na. Mga ahon pa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yan na. 10 more. So 20 nga. Tama yung computation ko.
Shucks. Ahon number 6 pala yun. Ay, sorry. Ahon number 10. 10 more to go.
Here goes number 11. Ahon. Ahon. Okay, number 12. Slowly but surely, para hindi maubos. 13. Oh my God. Oh, good Lord. Kaliwa. Apa pinadiretso tayo? Grabe yan. Grabe to. I can feel the weight. I can feel the water that we're carrying and the panier. Woo! Pain. Love it. Another 14. Number 14. gear ko pero manageable. It's a new bike, so understandable naman. 17! Oh my god, ang tarik nito. Dumaan ba tayo dito? Uy! Bumitaw yung... Oh shit! Yung gear ko hindi ko magana. Okay. No, go. Tinono ko na hindi na siya wala nang delay. Hopefully, well, bago pa lang so yung kable ito stretch pa. Okay, let's go. 18. That's why you really have to know how to tune your bike. In 20, magkasunod to. Sana hindi malala. Mukhang malala. Wala akong makita sa dulo. Oh Lord! Bahala na si Lord! Come on, gear! Work! Yes, my gear is working. Hindi ko pa matansya yung tamang pag-gear, pag-ahon sa malaking bike. Okay, number 20. This is so nice. But, eto, hindi maganda to. That was smooth. Great. Okay. So, I shifted to 2 gears down agad na. Kasi yung weight So, umpisa, akala mo makaya mo, matulan. But because of the weight you're carrying, pag nalulus yung momentum mo, yung weight ng dala mo, hinihila ka na, biglang bibigat. Hindi smooth yung pakiramdam. Okay. 20. Love it. Oh my God. Ito na ba yun? Hindi pa nga ito yun eh. Anak ng pating.
Thank God for frozen drinks.
Thank you, Madelinesville, for the refrigerator.
And the freezer.
The freezer.
Kala namin 20 lang yung ahon. 21 pala. Ay, pag may ganito natatakot na ako eh. Sabi nga ni Taylor Swift, I don't know about you but I'm feeling 22. I don't know about you but I'm feeling 22. 22 ahon. Are you for real? Are you for real? Welcome to Silang Cavite nga naman, oo. Woo! Thank you, welcome na to, grabe. Ay, kagrabe naman. Iba yun, guys. That's different. Iba yun. Iba yun. Grabe pa, welcome naman Silang Cavite. Celebrate tayo, dear.
Oh my God, ang lala niya. Malala.
Malala nga yun.
Parang may pa-levels yun. Nakahiga na ako sa...
Ako din.
Parang matapos na hindi maintindihan.
Sabi nga nila, save the best for last.
Grabe, may pa-welcome pa si Silang. Grabe yung pa-welcome yun.
Grand finale nga naman.
Salamat Silang Cavite sa masayang welcome. That blew us away, that warm welcome. Darlings, hanggang dito na lang. Pareho lang yung dadaanan namin eh. So, ayun. Pauwi na kami. Next long ride, it's gonna be way longer. Hanggang dito na lang, darlings. Till next time.
Till next time.
Saya, di ba?
Nakapag-relax ba kayo while watching that vlog? Feeling namin nasa Japan kami noon.
Actually, kasi tiny houses, pag nasa Japan ka, yung mga rent mo ganun din kaliliit and that clean. So, sobrang feeling namin nasa Japan kami, pero pagbukas,
Paradise.
yes, puro puno. Wala, talagang puno lang makikita mo, nature, ang aliwalas, amoy halaman.
Way fresh.
Sobrang, ano siya, makaka-meditate ka, ma-relax ang body mo, and mind mo, and heart mo.
So, sobrang relaxing niya and it's a remote place. We were able to cross the road and have coffee there, enjoy the sunrise.
Yeah. Umuubo sa likod. May ka lang pancake.
Yung sinasamid po. Ayun, actually, ganda ng sun nung time na yan. Before 6 a.m. Bilog na bilog yung sun. Nakikita, as in, you can look at it directly. And then, paglabas namin, we were welcomed with fog.
Yes. And walang signal doon. Thankful din kaming walang signal because we really got to disconnect and just be with one another. Ang dami na napag-usapan. Nakapanood kami ng cable TV.
For the first time.
In how many years? Ang tagal namin walang subscription na So, tuwan-tuwa talaga kami. Parang blast from the past yung nangyari. And then, yung pauwi. As you can see, na-witness yung 21.
22, sabi nga ni Taylor
22
Swift.
ahon. So, I recommend you doing that. Sobrang fun and painful at the same time. Hindi namin expect na may ganun doon. And kasi nawalan kami ng memory. Hindi namin na-capture yung hirap ko pa uwi. Sobrang sakit ng katawan ko. Since it's a new bike, nanibago talaga ako. So, when we got home, talagang wala. Plastado talaga ako. And dahil doon, nalaman ko, sinabi ko nga, i-break-in ko tong bike na to sa ride na to. Ako yung na-break-in. Nag-break yung body ko.
As in, break the break, literal.
Yeah.
Broken siya.
Oh, broken na broken. But because of that, alam ko yung i-adjust ko sa bike ko. Ayun. So, in-adjust ko na ngayon. And can't wait for the next long ride.
Oh, yes. So, at this point, would like to thank Ate M, Kuya Troy, and of course, the very hospitable and accommodating owner, si Ariel. Thank you so much for being such a wonderful host. If you are all interested to stay in Madelinesville, owned and hosted by Ariel, I'll post the details in the description down below, and also yung breakdown of expenses for the entire trip. For more updates, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so and click on that bell button to get notified whenever we have new content. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, just key in Levy and Sarah Cycle, and on TikTok, just key in again Levy and Sarah Cycle. Again, we're wearing colorful bandanas in the spirit of Pride Month 2021, so stay tuned for updates on how to get yours, as well as our stickers. Woo! So that's it.
That's it. I hope you enjoyed the whole journey. And I hope you learned something from that journey as well. Try nyo, and then share it to us.
Patabihin pa natin ang mga nagbabike sa Cavite because it's such a wonderful place.
Have a nice day. Stay fit, stay healthy, and stay happy.
Mwah! Bye!
Bye!